In Highland Park, a Robert Elliott home rises with hand-forged steel windows, a true tile roof, and copper gutter system defining its facade. Step through the arched entryway and curved staircase greets you, light wood treads ascending beneath a soaring, arched window. White oak paneling lines the main living areas, where a black, stone-clad fireplace anchors the room. The kitchen centers on a dark wood island with light stone countertops, professional-grade range, and a walk-in pantry with full-depth cabinetry. The primary suite offers a vaulted beam ceiling, spa bathroom with freestanding soaking tub, herringbone stone shower, and a balcony with downtown glimpses. Outside, a pool with sheer descent water feature, turfed yard, and wraparound covered patio with motorized screens complete the picture. Schedule your private tour today.